Rush on down to Old Town Orcutt for Oil Rush Days between April 12th and 30th and receive amazing offers from local merchants, and enter in a drawing for a chance to win a shopping spree in Old Town Orcutt for up to $1,000. Just visit any one of the participating merchants for your savings brochure and entry details. Enter your completed form each week into the drawing for a chance to win one of our weekly $100 gift prizes or the grand prize valued at over $1,000. Shop local and save local in Old Town Orcutt.